So many times I see you guys rush those last few details, but exactly those details are the things that matter the most. To understand why that is, you need an example, because context matters. In the example, I used magenta for the skin, yellow for the details, and turquoise for the accents. It's a simple color scheme, but what matters is the execution, not the plan. To paint the skin, I followed my guide on how to paint any color of skin tones. In one sentence. Why first blend and then add texture when you could be adding the texture with the way you blend? I used the same concept on the yellow. It makes the sky look like a statue. A funny statue. A little dwarf statue. And I'm talking crap. Like this video if you like it, because I would like it. When I started to paint the details, they looked like crap. Of course they do. They're just a base coat. Look what happens when I give these details the same care I gave to everything else.
Crow-tree transformation.
And now, the explanation.
Let's say your skin is a 2, you add the yellow. Another 2, you got a 4. And when you add the details and paint them up to be a 2, you get an 8. Why is that? Because these parts don't just add up, they harmonize, they need each other to be a full, good-looking painting. They don't add up, they multiply. This means every part matters, at least every part on the model. What you've been all waiting for, the grand reveal.